እንዴት ናችሁ? This is Dana English with Zubay and welcome back again. በአዲስ ለሰን ተመልሻለሁ። ዛሬ እንግዲህ was እና ወርን አሳያችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። ባለፈው ክላሴ is are ብዬ አሳይቻለሁ። ዛሬ ደግሞ የእነዚህ past was እና ወርን አሳያችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። Before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, come on guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. ማስታወሻ ማዘረሳ. Let's go. ወዝና ወር ልዩነቱ ምንድነው መሰላችሁ? የሰብጀክት ልዩነት ነው እንጂ ነበር ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ድሮ የነበርኩትን ነገር ሳወራ ድሮ የነበርነው ነገር ስናወራ ወዝና ወርን ተጠቅሜ አወራለሁ ማለት። she he it I ከሆነ ወዝ ላለው you we they ከሆነ ደግሞ ወር ላለው ማለት ነው። ልዩነቱ እሱ ብቻ ነው። ስለዚህ እስኪ ወዝን መጀመሪያ ወዝን ብቻውን እንየው እስኪ። she was he was it was I was ላለው ማለት ነው። እንዳልኩት ባለፈው ቪዲዮ ላይ እንደሰራው ሶስት አይነት አረፍተ ነገር አለ፣ ፖዚቲቭ፣ ኔጌቲቭ እና ኮስችን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ሶስት አይነት አረፍተ ነገር፣ አራተኛው ደግሞ መልስ አንሰር እንዴት ይመልሳሉ የሚለው ነገር ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር አሳያለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ she was married እዚህ ጋር ምጣችሁ married shy difficult in Ethiopia ፖዚቲቭ ሴንተንስ፣ ኔጌቲቭ ደግሞ ኖት ያለበት፣ ኮስችን ደግሞ ጥያቄ ሳደርግ ከዛ አንሰር አለኝ ማለት ነው። Are you ready? Yes. Good. She was married ይላል። She was married እሷ ባለትዳር ነበረች፣ ያገባች ባለትዳር ነበረች፣ አግብታ ነበር ስል she was married ይላል። She was married ይላል ማለት ነው። He was shy shy ማለት ነበር አይናፋር። አዎ እሱ አይናፋር ነበር። He was shy ይላል። አይናፋር ነበረ። It was difficult ነገርየው አስቸጋሪ ነበረ። It may be time it was difficult ላለው I was in Ethiopia ያኔ እኔ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ነበርኩኝ። I was in Ethiopia ስለዚህ she was married, he was shy, it was difficult, I was in Ethiopia ብያለሁ ማለት ነው። This is positive sentence. When we come to negative ስናደርገው ማለት ነው was ላይ መጨመር ብቻ ነው፣ ኖት ማለት መጨመር ብቻ ነው። she was not ሲያጠር wasn't ይሆናል ማለት ነው። she wasn't, he wasn't, it wasn't, I wasn't ይሆናል ማለት ነው። she wasn't married ባለትዳር አልነበረችም፣ አግብታ ነበር። she wasn't married. he wasn't shy አይናፋር አልነበረም። he wasn't shy. it wasn't difficult አስቸጋሪ አልነበረም። it wasn't difficult. I wasn't in Ethiopia this is negative. ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ አልነበርኩም። እዚህ ጋር ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ነበር ካልኩኝ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ አልነበርኩም ብያለሁ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ኮስችን ሳደርገው ጥያቄ ሳደርገው ራሴ ሊሆን ይችላል ሌላ ሰው ሊሆን ይችላል። ጥያቄ ሳደርገው was she was he was it was I ላለው ማለት ነው። was she married ባለትዳር ነበረች፣ አግብታ ነበር። was he shy አይናፋር ነበር እሱ። was it difficult አስቸጋሪ ነበር። was I in Ethiopia ያኔ was I in Ethiopia. was she married, was he shy, was it difficult, was I in Ethiopia እላለሁ ማለት ነው። was I in Ethiopia ለዚህ ምን ያስፈልገዋል? አንሰር ያስፈልገዋል። ምን ብዬ ልመልስ? was she married አግብታ ከነበረ yes she was፣ አግብታ ካልነበረ no she wasn't። yes she was, no she wasn't። was he shy ከነበረ ምን እላለሁ? yes he was, no he wasn't yeah። was it difficult yes it was, no it wasn't great። was I in Ethiopia yes I was, no I wasn't እላለሁ ማለት ነው። this is all about was ይመስላል። let's go to war። was ላይ ከወዝ ጋር የሚሄዱ ሰብጀክቶችን she he it I ከወር ጋር የሚሄዱት ደግሞ you we they ናቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ምን አለ? ፖዚቲቭ ሴንተንስ አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር ኔጌቲቭ ሴንተንስ አለ፣ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ question then answer አለኝ ማለት ነው። alright ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምለው you were where አለ ነገራችን ላይ where ሳይሆን were you were we were they were this is positive sentence you weren't we weren't they weren't አለ you ምን ማለት ነው አንተ አንቺ እናንተ አልነበርክም አልነበርሽም አልነበራችሁም ስል you weren't ላለው ማለት ነው we weren't እኛ አልነበርንም they weren't እነሱ አልነበሩም question ሳረግ were you were we were they የት ያካሄዳሉ ማለት ነው እስኪ let's go to positive you were sick you were sick ምን ማለት ነው አሞህ ነበር አሞሽ ነበር አሟችሁ አይደል you were sick ላለው positive sentence አሞህ ነበር you were sick we were happy ደስተኞች ነበር we were happy they were bored እነሱ ደብሯቸው ሰልችቷቸው ነበር they were bored ላለው ማለት they were bored we were happy but they were bored alright እኛ በጣም ደስተኞች ነበር እነሱ ደብሯቸው ነበር we were happy but they were bored ማለት ይችላል ማለት ነው this is positive let's go to negative sentence you weren't sick አሞህ ነበር አሞኝ ነበር I was sick ይላል no you weren't sick አሞህ ነበር አሞሽ ነበር አይደል አሟችሁ ነበር you weren't sick were not ሲያደርግ ደግሞ wasn't እንዳልኩት እዚህ ጋር ምን ላለው weren't ላለው ማለት ነው weren't ላለው you weren't sick we weren't happy ደስተኞች አልነበረም we weren't happy they weren't bored አልነበራቸው ነበር ደብሯቸው አልነበረም they weren't bored ላለው ማለት ነው this is negative sentence question ሳረግ were you sick አሞህ ነበር አሞሽ ነበር አሟችሁ ነበር were you sick were we happy ደስተኞች ነበርን were we happy yes were they bored ደብሯቸው ነበር were they bored ደብሯቸው ነበር answer ደብሯቸው ከነበር yes or no ሁለት አይነት answer ነው ያለው እዚህ ጋር yes or no question ነው ያለው were you sick yes you were ማለት ነው actually ስለዚህ እኔ were you sick ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የምትለኝ yes you know what yes I sick I know እዚህ ጋር ምንድን ነው የምትለኝ yes I were sick yes I were sick ይባላል I were sick ምንድን ነው መልሰው እዚህ ጋር yes I was sick እኔ አንተ ስጠይቅ were you sick ስለዚህ ምንድን ነው የምትለኝ yes I was no I wasn't something እዚህ ጋር ምን አደርጋለሁ no wasn't something ማለት no I wasn't ግልጸኛ ነው nice were we happy ደስተኞች ነበር yes we were no we weren't yes we were no we weren't were they bored yes they were no they weren't this is all about was and were hopefully ተጠቅማችኋል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁት don't forget like share and subscribe my YouTube channel ቀጣይ በአዲስ ቪዲዮ በአዲስ ለሰን እንመለሳለሁ እንደዚህ በእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ በአካል መማር ከፈለጋችሁ አድራሻችን ጎንደር ኮሌጅ ማዞሪያ ፖሊቴክኒክ ኮሌጅ ግቢ ውስጥ እንገኛለን በእነዚህ ስልኮች ደውሉ ትችላላችሁ ቀጣይ በአዲስ ቪዲዮ እንመለሳለሁ ቻው